Okay, so today we're gonna teach you guys how to wall climb. And look, I'm not being a little monkey, but I am right now because it makes you 2 times faster. So you want to do? See, look at this. So I want to do. You gotta have your fingers like this, and you want to practice doing this. Like, if you want to do this, I can't. I'm not the best at it, but if you want to do that, so you gotta But if you want to learn how to wall climb up there, you just gotta go swing your arms like that. But not. Make sure you gotta go slow. I can't really do it since I'm a lava monkey. So that's what you gotta do. You just gotta practice going. And if you're a beginner, you want to do the same thing, but back and forth around here. It's pretty easy. So, yep, and that's gonna be how I think that you guys should wall climb, but there's different ways. I don't know how to do it, like bear climbing. You can do it like this, but I like that way because this is how this is how I do it. So, yeah, if you guys ever need something how to wall climb, just watch this video. And yeah, if you want to go under the map, I might make one, but I don't know. So, see ya, guys.